Hi guys, welcome back to another quick and short video. At least I'm going to try and make it a quick and short one. So somebody asked on a previous video, you are always showing us how to do Forex robots in FXDreema, and the free version of FXDreema is very limiting because you can only do Forex robots for MT4, and you need to be using less than 10 blocks. Here you can see in this example robot there's 6 blocks. So is there another way of making robots for free, for maybe even from MT5 and stuff like that? Yes, on this channel I previously also showed you this platform. It's called Forex EA advisor.com. It also helps you to make Forex robots, almost like FXDreema. Maybe we're just going to some differences because I've used both platforms. This one is also for free, and you can actually make robots for MetaTrader 4. This is if you come to this section, that's for MetaTrader 4, and you can actually create a robot for MetaTrader 4 here, and you can come to this section and you can create the same robots for MetaTrader 5, and they actually do work. So this is MetaTrader 5 and MetaTrader 4. You'll find that the immediate difference between FXDreema as well as Forex EA advisor is already that you get these Google advertisements here. This is probably how these people behind this platform are generating money from this tool. So instead of charging you for using the platform to create your own Forex robots, they actually charge Google with these adverts so that you guys can actually use the tools for free. So yes, I use this platform as well as FXDreema. You can see there are no adverts, no annoying adverts. That's why they only limit you to MetaTrader 4 and less than 10 blocks. I think 10 or 11 blocks. If you want more than that, you actually have to subscribe. If you want to create a robot for MetaTrader 5, you have to subscribe. But here you can create robots for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 for free, completely free. For example, here is a robot in MetaTrader in FXDreema. Sorry, in FXDreema is your usual moving average crossover robot. How could we make this robot? Maybe let's say for MetaTrader 4 in this platform, you actually come here, or you go to here for MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, you come here, and then you set your buy condition here. So the buy condition that we can see already here is that the moving average 10 must be above moving average 100. So you just come here and you select your moving average. They also have a good number of indicators that you find on FXDreema. Then we set period. We said at 10. Did we say 10? We said it's 10. It needs to be shift. We just keep it at 0. Moving average type, let's see what they have here. It's probably simple. It's exponential. It's actually exponential. So you actually come here and you say exponential EMA, and we'll use the closing price, and then we say it's above moving average 100, and shift we are going to use 0, and we are going to use EMA again because that's what I have, and shift we are going to say 0. That's for the buy condition. And for the sell condition, we actually just copy over what they have here. So they're actually using moving average 10 on this side, moving average 5 on this side. They are using different conditions for the buys and sells. I don't know why they are doing that. I usually just use the same conditions for buys and sells, but in any case, it is what it is. So you then come here and you then say moving average period 5, shift will keep it at 0, then mod EMA, and price will say close, shift 0, and we'll say below. Then we'll find moving average again, and we'll say period, they say 20. We're just copying that robot, and we see a shift, we're going to say 0, and we're going to use EMA, and we are going to use price close, and we are going to say shift 0. And here you can actually set conditions for closing the buy. Obviously we want to close buys when the conditions for a sell appear, so you can just copy these same conditions and use them to close any buys. An example, I did not want to do this because I'm trying to make sure that the video is short. Then we just do that, and we do that, and gain 0, and we said, sorry, this is to go, yes, this is to close a buy, and we do that. We are using the same conditions that we used for the sell. So when it opens a sell, it uses the same conditions to close any buys, and we're going to say 0. Type, we're going to say EMA, and sorry, price is going to be close, and shift is going to be 0 again. And to close any sales, obviously we are going to use buy conditions. The moment these buy conditions appear, it's time for us to get out of any sales. So you just come here again, and you repeat the same process, the same conditions that you have for your buys. There it's 10 versus 100, and 0, and EMA close. I'm trying to move as fast as I can because this is simple, guys. Again, we take was it 200 or 100? It's 100. So it'll be 100, and we're going to say 0 again, and we're going to say EMA and close, and 0 again. Then that's basically it. So the robot that we're going to create now can open buys and sells, and can close the buys and can close the sales. Then here you can put in conditions. Obviously you need a magic number. A magic number helps the Forex robot to identify only the particular trades that it placed, so that it can manage them. So you can use the lot size that you want, 0.01 or 0.01 or 0.1. Stop loss, you can set whatever stop loss that you want, TP, or you can even set a trailing stop, or you can keep it at 0 to remove that. Then you come here. This is where the magic happens. Here there's a button that says generate MQL5 code. So you're just going to click on generate, and it's going to spit out the code that you basically set when you're setting these things. Then what you're going to do is you're going to copy this code and place it in your meta editor. I've basically done a video on this channel showing you how to use MQL5 and MQL4 code with your meta editor. So just look for that video. I'm not going to go into that in this video in case I make it any longer than it should be. Here you can set a name for your robot. Sorry, typo there. Today is Wednesday. Maybe you can call it Wednesday robot. Now and just save, and then you copy the code. So when you save, the code is going to download like it just did there. Then you're going to open this file in meta editor and compile it. Like I said, look for that video on this channel. It's simple and straightforward to do it really. So however, While you can do these robots here as well, there are some subtle differences between FXDreema and this platform. For example, if you notice here, you only have 3 options for your conditions, which sometimes might be difficult because it means as long as price moving average 10 is above moving average 100, if you close a trade is going to continue buying, you'll probably then need to switch off the robot, or you'll probably need to look for some kind of code to stop the robot from taking any new trades. But those are some of the differences that you see. If you come to FXDreema here, it will have a lot more options. That's why I sometimes 90%, 85% of the time I'm on FXDreema, but definitely I use several other EA builders. I hope this video opens your eyes, helps somebody. If you have any more questions about this, leave them in the comment section below. Go and test this out. Forex EA Advisor. You can create Forex robots for MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 without paying anything, as well as FXDreema. I will see you in the next one. Bye.